Hey guys, we're here to try and take off the piece right here. We're gonna get it refinished because we want to change things up.
Yeah, I think we'll look better, color matched.
Super easy to take off.
So what do we do?
So there's a cover here. Take all the clips, pop it off. No need to explain. Super simple. And then for the trunk piece itself, you need an 8mm. I've already taken the bolts off on the sides right here, the two ends. And then there's another two 8mm like this on the pins.
There's only
There's
four.
only four nuts. Two bolts, two nuts. Honestly, the hardest part about taking this off is going to be this part because it's double side tape on more likely. Let's see if it's double side tape. I don't know for sure.
We're gonna find out right now. Oh, look like it's not. It's just foam.
Let me double check if there's a mount. Oh, you know what? It's just clipped in.
All right, guys. Hope it doesn't break.
Let me double check that. Clips. Okay. Oh.
And there's a clip. So there it goes. Pretty easy.
Thing. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 clips they have to pull through.
And then one on the top on the star.
Yeah, super. And then there's only 4 bolts holding it. 4 nuts and bolts.
So here it is, guys. So we're gonna get this painted at the body shop, and then let's see how it looks. Stay tuned. All right, guys. Happy Friday. Welcome back to the channel. We're just here at a body shop, and we just picked up our trunk trim. This was originally in black, and a lot of people have been telling us, oh, we should, color match this. So, here it is. I'm very excited to see how this looks, and we're gonna head to the body shop right now to get it installed. And by the way, the video today is gonna be all recorded through iPhone because our videographer is at ADC right now. So I do apologize if the quality is not as great as before, but yeah, stay tuned. All right, guys, welcome back to another day, another week episode. So today is actually very fun because we're going to be installing a wing, or potentially installing and picking a wing. So I have the car already prepped here at Elite Wraps, and let me show you our first wing. Damn, check that out. So this is actually the S4 concept wing. Check out that carbon fiber. So this is their swan neck wing with the metal brackets. As you can see, this also came off of a 22 BRZ as well. So this wing at Tokyo Auto Salon, this past few months ago, they used this as a prototype wing. Because I know for sure right now it also fits the 22 plus BRZ and the 86. So let's take a look right here, get an up close shot. I think it looks pretty good. Really fits the arrow that we have on the bottom as well as for the side. Let me know what you guys think. As far as the mounting spots, as you can see, it's kind of forward towards the trunk, and tested it to see if it clears the rear windshield, and everything's good. So this is the first wing. We're still deciding what we want to do and get some better angles of this for you guys. I think it looks pretty good. The height, in my opinion, it's at a good height. Not too high, not too low, not too aggressive. On the side, it's very flush with the quarter panel. Let me get down a little bit. Now the wing isn't mounted yet, so this is give you a kind of like a preference of what it could look like. Here's another side angle right here. I'm gonna pull all the way back. Here you go. As you can see, the front really goes well with the sides and right to the rear. Overall, I think it looks pretty clean. Get a little lower angle for you guys right here. Damn, not bad. Actually, the more I look at it, the more I like it. So yeah, this wing is also available to purchase on our website. So make sure to check the link below and let me know what you guys think. I'm getting a close-up shot for you guys. Also, shout out to Lysol for the wing stand. So with this, we're actually going to hold the wing up to get a better look without drilling the trunk yet. So this is wing number 1. So we're going to show you wing number 2 right now. All right, guys. So Kevin here is going to put back our painted trunk trim color match. So pretty much you just pop the clip right in. Actually, no. We have to actually put the clip on the side and then pop it right in. So he's gonna grab the clips, but as you can see, here's a little mock-up. I think it looks a lot better already. All right, guys, we're gonna put the clips in. I'll show you guys in a minute. All right, guys. So to reinstall this back, it's pretty simple. All right, let's see. So that's one in here, right? Also, the emblem. The emblem also has a clip for it. So if you guys ever want to take your trunk piece off and paint it, this is the way to go. It takes less than 10 minutes. Damn. Is that it?
And then there's a couple of screws and bolts.
Oh, there's a couple screws.
We get the tool for that.
All right, guys. So the final piece to the trunk is the emblem. So there's already 3M tape on the back, so we just pop it in. It's good to go. So let us know what you think. I think it looks pretty sick. We're gonna pretty much take off the emblems or either paint them. Let us know what we should do. But so far, I think wow, it looks phenomenal. Beautiful, beautiful. I'm falling in love with this car every day. All right, guys. So this is the second wing that we're gonna try to test fit on the car. This is the last generation's SCI wing from the VA chassis. Actually bought this off a local enthusiast in San Diego. So shout out to him for hooking it up. This is Alpine White. So in order to get this on the car, we're gonna need to color match it. So, but we're still deciding which wing to use. So we're gonna slap this on, put it on top of the trunk, and see how it looks. All right, guys. So here it is. Wow. I think this STI wing actually looks like it fits the car a lot better than the carbon wing. Obviously, we've got to get paint matched and whatnot. But wow, just look at that. We left it on some mats right now, so the trunk, the wing screws actually don't penetrate the trunk in the meantime. So let me know what you guys think. I think it looks pretty good. Looks like actually, it's not an STI, of course, but with the options here right now, I think this is just one of those. Wow, I'm just speechless right now. I'm legit speechless. It looks amazing, in my opinion. Yeah, let me walk over here, get you guys another angle. I think it looks pretty sick. Comment below and let us know what you think. Wow. I mean, it's a little lifted right now, as you can see with the towels here. But once we move it and bolt it down, actually it looked pretty good because the fitment's not that bad. It lines up on the side. There's a guy on the Facebook forum who recently installed his, with some pretty much minor adjustments, other than, of course, drilling the trunk. But other than that, it's a 10 out of 10 fitment. You can tell the height of the trunk matches the level of the roof, so that looks pretty good. I'm gonna hop over here to the front and see another angle. Yeah, look at that. What do you guys think? Guys, thanks for tuning in for this week's video. So comment below and let us know which wing we should go. Should we go with the Carbon S4 wing or the last generation's SCI wing? Personally, if we're gonna go with this, we're gonna have to paint match this, or we can just bolt this directly on. So comment below, let us know. We're gonna pick a wing and see you guys at next week's episode.